approve your app.
I'm a little lost as to what this is all for. Is this just you using the PayPal Adaptive API, or do you work for PayPal?
Well, yeah, I don't work for PayPal. I use it for, I built an app called Goal Cat. It's a goal achievement platform.
Can we see it?
Yeah, I told him like that's what I want to do, but then he wanted to
No, I'm more interested in the app you made than the code. I'd rather see that.
So I'm logically going to get there as use cases. So, okay. So you want to see the. So this is the app I built, right? So this is.
You built it on, or what platform did you build it on?
This I built like Java, like App Engine, on App Engine and GWT, Google Web Toolkit, so Java, it's all Java. So let's say you log in. So you can set, so what basically my app does is you set goals, right? All of us set goals. And then what do you think increases the chances of succeeding or achieving goals?
Financial incentive.
Financial incentive. Like somebody has to pay you to get your goal.
Or you give someone else your money, and if you don't accomplish the goal, you don't get it back.
Exactly. Basically, like incentives, right? You're
Yeah.
right. So kind of like incentives so that the motivation is there to complete. So setting, I think everybody sets, but it's like keeping on and seeing it through is the biggest problem, right? So incentives. So either rewards when something good has happened, and then are penalizing when something good didn't happen, right? So that's one I have incorporated. And the other, what is the other thing?
Question? Have you come up with any good way to punish people over the internet? Because I would love to know.
Yeah, like people see it. Basically, you lose something. You lose something, right? So what is the other thing I think which will enhances the chances of achieving goals? One definitely is keeping motivated, right? That's the biggest challenge. What is the other thing?
Competition?
Competition, definitely. It's also like encourages, it keeps you motivated on the toes, and then, right? So basically lack of resources or access to resources. Maybe you want to achieve something, and then you don't, all of what is required is not there, right? Then you can't see through it. So having access to resources is another thing. So these are the two core parameters that I have basically incorporated into this. So basically a point system where every action that helps you to complete your goal, if you take those steps, each step will earn you some points. And then those points has, like, you could redeem in a gift shop. So we have a gift shop. Those points could be used to redeem at a very discounted price, which you would not get otherwise, right? And then if you don't complete it, then those points you can't redeem, so you lose them in the middle. So maybe you have came till the middle way, but they're useless. So that keeps you motivated. So the other one for the resources. So once you create a goal, right? So you say these are the resources I would need for my goal, right? So automatically it will post in the marketplace if you whatever resources you have set, right? It's a marketplace for resources. So other people, if they have, so the resources could be skills, or it could be some little bit of finance, or it could be some goods or whatever, right? So it's kind of like resource marketplace, the same way Craigslist marketplace, kind of, but more at a very goal specific ones, right? So here is where the micro transaction kind of happens. If people might say for this resource it's only $1 or $2. If you help me with this, I'll pay you $2. Right? So you could, like, the microtransaction PayPal adaptive payment help me do that. And then the other one is basically, so the gift shop is after you complete, you can redeem it with points. Let's say some business has, this I created like a demo one, right? So this is one gift item in this gift shop, right? So it can say these many points are required, and then maybe usually it is like $50, but you get only for $27. And then this 1,000 points again, it need not be just one person need to come up with 1,000 points, but a lot of, like, 10 people or 20 people can come together and then get that, 10 points together, and then so it's like a group buy, right? So it's kind of, so here essentially it's a pre-approval. This has pre-approval, and then this has parallel pay and chain pay incorporated in this one. Okay. So the other one is sponsorship. Sponsorships is so gifts is at the end, right? And then sponsorships is before. So even before you start a goal, maybe you need some sponsorships for your goals. And if a big sponsor, or not big, but something that makes you confident to pursue your goal is behind you, that gives you more confidence, right? So sponsors, asking for sponsors, and then businesses or others saying, I can sponsor this goal for this person, right? So that's before the goal starts. So this is the goal achievement platform. So in this I have incorporated all like the peer-to-peer transaction, micropayments, chain pay, parallel pay, subscription.
Is your plan to make money from this, to siphon off a bit of every transaction, or what? Or advertising, or are you not trying to make money off of this?
Yeah, so this is, the way it works is basically, let's say a business, so there are three parties here, two parties, right, mainly. One is a person who wants to, let me navigate, okay. So somebody wants to set a goal, right? So personal or professional, right? So let's say, let's take your example. Which one, what do you want to set?
Personal.
Okay.
Let's stick with romance.
Okay, so let's say describe something.
Date a girl in computer science.
Yes, right? Okay. And then, so you can say like, so who do you think for this goal would be a good sponsor for it? Somebody gives you like a nice haircut, or nice dress, or nice shoes. I don't know. What do you think?
I'll skip the dress.
Or for dinner, or or for a movie or a concert, or so you can come up with. So do you see it's opening up a channel of communication to you and to your potential business? For them, it's like a lead, and then for you, it's actually beforehand. Okay. So yeah, you want to add some sponsorship here?
Sure. Let's see. Fry's Electronics. I don't know how they'll help, but couldn't hurt.
Electronics?
Yeah, why not?
Fries? Okay. So maybe DVD. You wanna buy a DVD, right? Okay. So any milestones you want to add?
Getting the girlfriend, going on first date. First date. That's milestone.
Yeah. Resources. What resources do you think you need?
Courage.
What else?
And goal supporters, let's add for us.
Okay. So this is basically, if you want support, actually if you go through your Facebook login, actually it pulls all your friends, and then you can send just support requests to your friends to support you for the goal, right? So I have it, but I don't think I integrated in this, the one that I'm showing. But that's what the goal support does. Your friends, it allows you, right? Okay, so now once you save this, right? So you earned points. For creating, you earn 10 points, and for resource added, you earn, no, that's not yours, but because I created few before. So if you log in and you see only yours, it's my login, so I'm seeing mine too. Okay, so you added the milestone. It's like an activity stream here. Whatever is happening for your goals that you've created, you'll see here. So actually, you just want to see yours. So yours is date a girl in CS. Okay, right? So you created that goal. So you got 10 points, and then you added sponsorship one. So you got 20 points. So if that, so you actually. So that would go to actually Fry, so the connection was already there. Right?
Your date.
Is this a CS girl?
No. What are you asking for?
Is it for me?
No, I think you have a wrong number.
Tell them to take it off.
This has happened before. They're from a hospital. Somebody in the hospital bed is calling for assistance. This happened before, remember?
It's scary.
Anyway, continue. Sorry.
So wait. So okay, you added these are not yours.
You unchecked it.
Yeah. Okay.